What's going on, man? Today we doing a roof in a 73 Donk, man. Yes, sir. 73 Donk. It already got some roof in there. I guess it ain't working properly. It's the roof in there now. I'm putting in a Jeep Grand Cherokee roof. So that's what we're gonna do, man. I'm gonna let y'all get a little video of it right now, see how I look from the beginning, and then we're just gonna record in the process, I guess, if that's what you want to call it, for sure. Can't dunk, dog. Man, we back. Y'all know what's going on. You see it? Oh my God. And it's matching with the interior. Brody back there, what you, man, what's going on, ganger? Yes.
What the fuck?
What the helly?
This shit's so goddamn clean. Did so good job. You better tap in.
Man, tap in with your boy. With your boy. Yeah, y'all see this. Man, hold on, look. Man, I'm in the back seat with it. This is crazy work right here. I'm in the back seat. Y'all see that? Big roof. Big roof. Man. This 73 about to be acting crazy out here. I don't know what y'all gonna do with y'all life, But y'all need to get y'all stuff together. And come holler at me, man. I'm gonna get your life together for sure, for sure. If you want that roof or that wet paint on there, yeah. Come see me.
What you doing, Brody?
Man, running these water lines, bro. Gotta run these water lines, man.
What's the water lines for?
The water. if your car gets water on it.
Niggas can't ever be serious, dog.